Ray,
Yeah.
what's the name of that nightclub of yours again?
You talking about the Boom Boom Room?
Yeah, the Boom Boom Room. That's it.
What up, guys? I got a quick unboxing for y'all. This is a delivery that I just got in the mail today. This is a gun belt that I ordered from the Warrior Poet Society website. I like to order his equipment. His equipment always comes in good quality, and you know, I kind of trust him because he's a former special operations guy. So far, everything that I've bought from him been top-notch quality, and I just thought I'd share with y'all my unboxing, or rather unpackaging, of my new gun belt. So here it is. This is a groove belt that's sponsored by the Warrior Poet Society, and I got the Discrete one. So if you look at the logo, it's just a small logo on the side right here. They got different varieties of it. They got one where there's a big logo in the middle here, and just different styles. So this is what it looks like. This is the packaging that it comes in. Pretty sturdy material here. No BS. 94-year warranty. Groove belt. Hopefully y'all can see that it's not too blurry. My camera focusing. And then one size fits most, up to size 50 in the waist. Alright. Take this off here. And that just slides off. I'm gonna set that to the side. And here you go. So it has this little strap right here, so you can adjust the size of it to fit your waist. And the belt is has a magnetic clip. So if you got the Warrior Poet sling, it's pretty much the same type of locking mechanism. So one of the reasons that I like about it, so you gotta use the bathroom real quick and you don't gotta fidget around with no belt buckles. This just snap on, snap off, simple. And it's pretty strong, so it ain't going nowhere. It got these little latches here, and this is the magnetic part. So hopefully y'all can see that. And it just, let's see, simple. So it's pretty sturdy. It's not really flexible, so your holster ain't really going nowhere. And I should have brought my holster down here, but yeah, man, I'm gonna try it on and I'll let y'all see what it look like. Alright, so I'm going to show you what it looks like with the gun on the actual belt itself. So I just want to grab my holster and got the gun on it. There you go. So this is what it looks like. So it's sturdy. It's not going nowhere. You know, in and out. It's pretty strong belt. And the holster, it just kind of latches onto the little latch there. And yeah. Society Discrete groove belt. Alright. That's it. Alright guys, this is what it looks like with it on. Pretty sturdy. Just want to take it off real quick. Put it on real quick. Super simple. So, yeah, that's what it looked like. So yeah, I just thought I'd show that quick unboxing with you guys. And man, I haven't carried with it yet. Obviously, I just opened it, but from the way it feel nice and sturdy, and I don't think I got too much to worry about. I don't gotta worry about scuffing up none of my leather belts or anything like that. But yeah, I'm gonna test it out, and if I got any bad things to say about it, I'll give y'all an update. But that's about it. That's all I wanted to share with y'all. Just a quick video on my new gun belt. And I want to thank you guys for taking the time out to watch the video with me. And I'll catch y'all on the next one.